where you see a bit of cloudiness and some showers. That will cross Florida and get into the northern Gulf. So that's why we have that low chance of development as far as actually becoming a depression or a tropical storm in the next 7 days. It looks low. Models are not aggressive with this at all. I think this might turn out to be just yet another rainmaker like these sometimes can be, because look at all this tropical moisture surging in the dark oranges that you see here, and maybe sticking around into the upcoming weekend as well. So that could bring our rain chance up on Thursday through Friday, and maybe even into Saturday, and then probably leaving us alone by Sunday. So how much rain? Well, it looks like there could be some pretty high amounts, but actually most of the models are going with about maybe 2, 3, possibly 4 inches of rain. And that's all the way through the week. So a little more perhaps for parts of Florida, but we'll be watching closely in case we get a few rounds of the heavy rain and maybe prompting some flooding issues by the end of the week. But again, 2 to 3 or 4 inches over the course of several days is not too bad. So we'll keep you updated on that. Here's our model showing that low getting into the Gulf. This is by Tuesday, some low pressure, but kind of a big broad low forming up as our high pressure that keeps us hot and humid through Tuesday shifts to the west. Again, a big broad low. This is not a tight tropical looking kind of system, is it? It's just a rain system by Wednesday, but we will see. It's out over warm water. We'll see if it tries to develop slowly into Thursday, but by Thursday, it should be near our coast. And look at this, by Friday, it's already inland. So our chance of development is not very high, but it's certainly something we'll be watching as we head into the rest of this week. We'll have the big upper high, and then you can see the movement here with that low will be driven from another high off to our east, which will steer it generally westward, one of these easterly waves, a very common thing we see when we get rain systems sometimes in the summer along the Gulf Coast. 7-day forecast shows that higher rain chance and lower temperatures starting by Thursday.